Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In this video, I will show you how to make henna mehendi paste and cones at home. So let's get started. First take some water and boil it. Add some tea to it and let it boil on medium heat for 5 minutes. Take some mehendi and then start mixing it with the paste. Keep on adding little paste in the mehendi and keep on mixing it. Mix it well because it's very important to mix mehendi properly. There should be no lumps in it. Now mix it well and keep aside at least for 1 hour. Now I start making cones. Cut a plastic sheet into a rectangle size. All you need to do is grab the upper right corner and follow by folding it left towards the center. Continue rolling the sheet until you finally form the cone. When you reach the end, the little tail of the cone end must be taped properly. Now we need to put some mehendi in cone and keep adding mehendi to it. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright. Now just fold it from upside and press it well so that mehendi is completely down to the point, and we just need to stick it with cello tape. It should be very tight so that mehendi does not comes out. Cut the tip with scissor as you need. And now you can use it. This is how it will look. Thank you.